Okay, so today's question comes from a YouTube follower and they're asking, what's the best advice you'd give to someone new to merch by Amazon? Great, so thanks for watching Starting Up, all about sharing tips for selling online, daily videos. Make sure to get your questions in the comments below and I'll do a video answering your questions as soon as possible. But advice for someone new to selling t-shirts on merch by Amazon. I'm going to say my first piece of advice is research. There's going to be two bits of advice in this video, research and experimentation. So first off, you need to learn how to do research. So you need to learn how to research what people are currently buying and what people are currently interested in. Because when you know what people are buying, then you can create more products to satisfy that demand, you know. So if a lot of people are showing an interest in a certain topic or a certain category, you can make more designs based on that research, and it's just going to be more likely to sell rather than making a completely new, original, unique design that you don't know if there's demand for it. You can find demand that exists already and create based on that research demand. So learning how to do product research, I would say, is one of the most important things you can do as a new mercher. There's a few things here you can do. You can do keyword research, so you can sort of reverse engineer search engines to see what sort of keywords and phrases people are searching for in high numbers. You know, if a lot of people are searching for chef t-shirts or Dalmatian t-shirts, then it's probably likely that if you design a shirt in those categories, you're more likely to make a sale. So learning how to do keyword research is really important. And also learning how to research shirt sale performances. So shirts that already exist and are selling really well, if you do a variation or you take inspiration from those designs and make your version of it, you know, that touches similar categories and topics but isn't a complete rip-off, but takes inspiration from the essence of that design, you're more likely to make a sale as well. So there's tons of videos on my channel and other YouTubers' channels. There's tons of blog posts on doing niche research, so keyword research, just general niche research for Amazon merch. So Google that, YouTube that, maybe look at my videos and find how to do research. And the second thing for a new mercher I'd say to do is experimentation. So you need to learn as a new seller what types of things sell and what don't. You know, so what style of designs sell, what sentences and types of titles sell, you know, the order you put words and the types of words you're using. And the only way you're going to learn this is if you experiment. You learn from your failures and you learn from your successes and get better in the future. So, you know, try to do your niche research and then try and get different types of designs, different styles, use different types of wording, you know, the perfect gift, or get this, you know, before everyone else does. Like, really try and learn how to use enticing sentences and wording, and what information to include and what not, you know. So the only way you're going to learn what works and what doesn't is by putting lots of different designs up and experimenting and finding what works throughout all of those things that don't work. So experimentation and learning how to do proper research, product research, niche research are the two areas of advice I would give new merchants. And if you want to learn how to get from the first tiers to maybe tier 500, tier 5, say 1000 to make those first few sales, you can download my free PDF at www.startingup.com/merch by Amazon. It's completely free. It's about 10-15 pages of step-by-step steps on how to get your first sales. So hopefully that's going to provide you some more advice on how to begin on Merch by Amazon. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you want answering, feel free to message me in the comment box below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips of selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and also like and share this video. See ya.